tell the class why they're rolling up to the old lady dressed as bank robbers?
The Bank of England has essentially been taken over by Clan Kelly. They're storing millions in counterfeit ETO on the bank's network. ETO created on crypto farms around the world. Practically everyone in the bank will be a Clan Kelly mole.
That's a shame. I thought DedSec got an invite to a fancy costume party.
No, just a potentially fatal mission from a good friend of mine, who has a reputation for this sort of thing in Madrid. His crew, as infamous for their red jumpsuits and masks as for their elaborate heists. Wearing these disguises gives us some deniability, and lets him take credit too.
So it's a crypto heist. Neat. Head up to the route to disable the bank's firewall and IPS. They've beefed up security since DedSec's last visit. The bank's server network is now unprotected. Now all you need are the right account credentials.
Necessary. No, it wasn't me.
Is all this really...
That's the last of them. Connect me to the server. More coming in from the north. As they say, I'm in. This is, coincidentally, what Albion will say when they arrive to, well, kill you.
Bagley, can you monitor Albion's movements over CCTV?
Sure, not like I'm busy transferring millions of ETO to untraceable holding accounts or anything. Employee entrance, north, more reinforcements. The mission briefing from Connie's Spanish contact reads, money is just paper. But it's not even that anymore, just a bunch of ones and zeros, like me.
And yet, you're as real to us as anyone, Bags. Just like the money. I suppose there's a lesson there.
I'm here.
I'm pushing Bagley a protocol for distributing the ETO to everyone in London whose income is below the poverty line.
The gig economy has turned so many people into wage slaves that it's only fair Parcel Fox gives something back. And Kelly's already here, waiting to blow your brains out.
So how do we handle this?
I have an idea. It's kind of mental, so brace yourself. Calling Albion to your location now.
Tactical thinking, Connie. Downright professorial. Operatives, best to use the chaos to your advantage. Distribution protocol installed. I've marked the parcels containing the data related for you. Dump the ETA into those and the protocol will parcel it out to the billing accounts of low-income citizens. Get it? Parcel it out?
Stop the hate! Stop the fear! Immigrants are welcome here!
That's the ticket. Keep going. ETO deposited. Lots of people are going to be able to afford basic costs of living now.
Okay, last step in the mission briefing. Blow up the servers.
Done.
Well done. Better skedaddle now before Albion and Clan Kelly decide to fillet you. Expert work, operatives.
Indeed. I figured a little jackboot on, jack-off action would provide ample distraction. Bit dangerous. Sorry about the switcheroo.
That was a close fucking call.
We're all positively thrilled you made it out alive. Who else would connect me to hostile networks and camera feeds?
Oh, go connect yourself, you cheeky prick. I'll tell our friend in Spain that his crypto heist plans were impeccable. I'm sure he'll be fine with you keeping the mask. You know, for later use.